I know you're freaking out. I know you're... I don't want to hold him.
Oh my god, that is so loud.
Here, you gotta reach in my pocket, open the door. I'm gonna put him in the back seat, I guess.
Okay.
What's he doing?
Just sitting. Okay, we found another baby bird. Like, seriously?
We're gonna take it to the Tri-State Sanctuary, bird sanctuary. It's covered in bugs. I'm not sure if they're ticks or some kind of mite, but they're over me. He's kind of jumping around all over the car now, and he's getting bugs all over my car. And he pooped on my seat.
He pooped right there. That white dot on the seat.
He looks super skinny.
Yeah.
Like from this angle, he looks super skinny.
It looks like he hasn't eaten for a while.
We found a dead bird near where we found him, so it might be its parents.
Oh,
We
poor
couldn't
baby.
find a nest, so we're gonna take him to the sanctuary and let them deal with this. Can we just come in?
Yeah. Please don't move. Please don't move.
Oh, here it is. Is this guest parking? Okay, little guy, you probably want to go outside into the real world, and you pooped and put bugs over my car. Dude, you don't know where... Oh my god, you're covered. Yo, you didn't even realize I grabbed you there, didn't you? Okay, buddy, let's go.
Oh, it's so hot today. Oh, little bird.
Can you let them put this down there?
Here, you can give them to me.
I don't know what these things are, but they're open.
Oh, they're mites.
They're
Okay.
mites?
You can, ooh,
Uh-oh.
I got 'em. The bathroom's right here if you want to wash your hands. The paper towels are in the back. I'll be right back. One of those days.
What is it, a little robin?
It's a starling.
Starling?
Yeah.
What are you dropping off?
Well, they don't take them in anymore. Last year I brought it, or the year before I brought in a white dove that I found in my yard. And it was domesticated. It didn't fly away, so I brought it over here. Today I left and I came home. Whoa.
Whoa.
And he's friendly as hell, you know.
Oh, oh.
She said it looks like something attacked him, a hawk or something, because his tail feathers, he's missing some tail feathers. And, you know.
Probably, maybe someone had a pet and just let it loose.
That's what I'm thinking. Well, it might have got away. And then the hawk got him.
So the supervisors do want to check him out, make sure he's healthy.
Okay.
Okay?
Sure.
We don't want to send them someplace. So if you'll fill out this form right there.
I guess he's okay now.
Yeah.
I got an extra pair right here.
You want to make a donation?
I think it's good cause.
Okay, where did you find this guy just today?
Just now.
You're down the road, aren't you?
Yeah.
How'd you do for your run for your brother? Enoch? Oh, don't you live down this road?
Yeah.
Okay. I thought Enoch, he was killed in a car accident a couple of years ago?
Oh no, I just moved here.
Oh, you just moved
Yeah, I
here,
just moved here
okay,
recently.
okay. Never mind then.
So after giving them the starling, it was a starling, they might not be able to save it because it's already been like really, I don't know, maybe a disease, and And if they also told us that if they have to use a lot of resources, they can't put that kind of resource to saving a bird that's not native to the U.S. Oh, that's a bee.
No, I'm scared. I heard it. I'm not gonna go. Another bee. So many bees. Oh my god, so many bees. Okay.
All right, so pretty much this institution, this bird rescue place was formed to help native birds to America, like birds that were originally here. Starlings, sparrows, and other birds are from like England or Europe. They said that the sparrow that Lucy has right now, we can legally take care of the bird ourselves because they're not protected, they're not native, and
I'm not gonna take my baby bird there.
we understand why they're doing it. We understand that they can't put this kind of resources to this bird. So, but they said it seems healthy, so we're going to do our best to keep it alive.